Assalamu alaikum. I am Dr. Muhammad Arif Siddiqui and you are watching Real Face Media. Terrorism is a term which is widely misused and misinterpreted by West in current age. And nowadays, a new term, deep state terrorism, is commonly used. In modern era, the history of terrorism starts with the revolution in France. Since then, after continuous evolution, many types or forms of terrorism have come into existence. Before coming to my real point, I would like to discuss briefly some commonly known types of terrorism so that we might be able to comprehend the real hidden root cause and determine the real face behind it. Today, I would start with three major types. Number one, state terrorism. State terrorism means the use of force to suppress its opponents within the states. Normally, in this case, military and law enforcing institutions are unlawfully used against its own citizens. Second is intrastate terrorism. This is yet another type of terrorism which is done by one state in another hostile state to weaken or destabilize it to fulfill some of its hidden purpose, like America did many times in many countries. Third one is religious terrorism. This form of terrorism is used by one religious group against another group. It is perhaps the oldest type of terrorism inflicted by one extremist sect against the other. For example, the terrorist acts committed by Protestants against Catholics. Respected viewers, the more dangerous, destructive and ruthless terrorism is the terrorism hidden in the normal structure of a group of government people, typically influential members of a government agency or military believed to be involved in the secret manipulation or control of government policies. They are in fact a nexus of some non-elected government officials, members of some civil organizations like financial institutions and political bodies who influence state policies by adopting illegal ways. The power of this deep state comes from the knowledge, experience, relations, cunningness and special satanic skills of the people in that group. They all constitute a super government which is not answerable to anybody. The term deep state was first used by Peter Dale Scott in his book The Road to 9/11, published in 2007. In his book, Dale accused American military for fueling wars within and outside the country since Cold War to 9/11 attack in 2001. The real purpose of deep state terror is to protect the secret alliance of terrorism and use the state resources according to their wish by converting the states into military industrial complex. In this way, they achieve their secret targets while their faces are concealed behind masks. In this way, undeclared and unending wars are going on secretly before the very eye of the government, while the government remains ignorant. In this way, these deep states first create terrorism and then come out for its elimination. Consequently, the world faces a havoc in the name of war against terror, which has actually been started by the states within the states themselves, known as deep states. A thorough observation and study brings into light the fact that among the stakeholders getting richer through profitable war are not only some bureaucrats, powerful military officers, prominent figures of secret agencies, but also businessmen, feudal lords, social workers, and non-governmental organizations as well. Media persons and lawyer forums are also used for this purpose, knowingly or unknowingly. In the present era of internet, a vast cyberspace has come into existence where social media working behind the mask of global village doctrine. It has also become a battlefield where the conflict, these deep states, is in full swing in the name of fifth generation warfare or hybrid warfare. In fact, the secret alliance of these hidden deep states has taken the shape of a monster in the present age, as the huge amount of wealth these hidden states are spending, are protecting and hiding the activities of this disgusting alliance is much more the amount which the actual states are spending for their other affairs.